As COVID cases rise, those on the front line say they're fighting for a fair contract. Today, healthcare staff with OHSU getting their message out through a workers' rally at the Markham Hill campus.
Our Joelle Jones was there. She joins us live tonight. Their contract, Joelle, is set to expire tonight?
Yes, that's right. And the union workers tell us that the timing of this rally was critical because with that contract expiring tonight, it will be the first opportunity for them to negotiate a new one since the start of the pandemic. A pandemic, they say, has forced their staff to do more with less.
Invest in us! Invest in us!
Hundreds of frontline healthcare workers took to the streets of Sam Jackson Park Road Thursday afternoon to call on OHSU for a fair contract. Having experienced burnout and staff shortages amid the pandemic, Union President Sarah Curtis says she hopes a new contract may help increase staffing and improve patient care.
So the workers are burned out, they're exhausted, and we need decent pay and good benefits so that we can be competitive. There's a workers shortage in healthcare, and we need to have the best people here so we can take care of the people of Oregon.
With mediations ongoing and their contract set to expire, Curtis says she hopes an agreement can be reached before a strike vote is called, but tells KOIN 6 the possibility is not off the table.
We're still trying to work out our differences, but we are pretty far apart. So we're asking OHSU to make a real commitment to come to the table with a serious offer that reflects the times that we're living in with the labor shortages and inflation.
What do we want?
Inflation, an issue echoed by many of the workers we spoke with who say they can no longer afford to live in the area on their current wages.
They're offering us 3.5 and 3.3. That doesn't help with the cost of living or gas. We can't afford to live in the Portland area unless we get a good raise.
We reached out to OHSU for a response to these claims. The hospital released this statement to KOIN 6, which reads in part, quote, "We have been bargaining since February of 2022 and look forward to continuing to work collaboratively to reach an agreement. OHSU supports the rights of its members to coordinate and participate in protected union activity." Now, the workers held a moment of silence at that rally, not only for those who died during COVID, but for the healthcare workers who made sacrifices to give them patient care during that time. The union tells us that the next bargaining session is scheduled for July 5th, so we will continue to keep you updated as this story develops. Live in downtown Portland, I'm Joelle Jones, KOIN 6 News.